Okay, Lakay Henry, adapti kami balay da Melissa, nakilamon kami. And I just would like to show you na kakakain lang namin, look, talagang nagustuhan nilang spaghetti, inubos nila. Nakatigda 2 plates ata sila. And then, pansit, supas, cake, ayan. Tapos, oh yeah, banana cake pa yan. Kinain talaga nila yan. At mayroon pang cupcakes. At ngayon, ayun, feeling at home na sila. Ayan, oh. Nakailad dan, tanabsugdan. Nakita Lakay Henry. Oh. Tapos style na kita na mo. Papananaan yung may isa. Diba? Oh, parang, diba? Parang nasa bahay lang. Oh. Oh, say hi to Dad. I mean, this is not live, but I'm gonna send this to him. Tapos atiti talagang apan na binatugan, oh. Diba? Oh, yan, oh, my fan. Oh. Oh, ayan si Tio, oh, busog na siya. Is there a Coca-Cola there? Okay, go and ask them if you can have some. Coca-Cola kan? Oh, nakabirok man ng Coke. Oh. Oh, ayan oh, Henry, baka dito pa sila matulog. Oh, busog na sila. Ayan. Grabe yung gutom nila kanina and we fed them a ton of food. And after they... Ayan na, ang ginawa nila, humilata na sila. There you go.